How to share a Netflix account with friends. Let's get started. First up, launch your Netflix app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of My Netflix. Then click on your name. You're going to find different profiles that are available in your Netflix account. Now go ahead and click on the option of Manage Profiles. Now here you're going to find all of the profile. You can have up to 5 profile on a single Netflix account. If you have any unused profile, you will see a plus icon. You have to click on that. Then you have to go ahead and enter the name. Likewise, customize all these settings: game handle, view restrictions, profile lock, display language, audience, subtitle, audio play next episode, autoplay reviews. After you customize all these settings, you can click on done. After you customize the profile, now you can go ahead and provide the password and email to the friend with whom you want to share your Netflix account. And then the person can log in and use this profile for watching the videos on Netflix. So this is how you can share a Netflix account with friends. This was really simple and quick process. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.